Good morning. It is 8:30-ish. We got the whole family together here. Shout out Jimbo. Shout out Mom. Kaylin, Crab, driving us there. We got like 4 apartments to look at today. We're gonna go check out the area. We got about 3 hours of driving ahead of us, so should be fun. Jimbo, we made it, bro. How's it feel?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Go, go, go! Woo! We've arrived at our first potential apartment building. That is it. That's the view out the back. Just trees for days. What do you think?
Aww, so exciting.
She's such a proud mom.
Proud mom.
She just can't wait for me to move out, really, though.
And take your brother with you. Just kidding.
Possibly our apartment right there. And there's the city, baby.
Look. Record this.
Stuff is changing.
Record this.
Bro, I'm trying to vlog.
This is your channel, look.
What is my channel?
Right there.
That's my channel?
Get right.
Get over here, you freaking little gosh. Big old building. My goodness, that's a tall one. Nicer? Off to apartment showing number 3 for the day. This is the final one. Bro, they've got these little rental scooters here. Someone was going way too hard. Throwing tail whips, some bar spins. That guy was freaking raw,
He was on X Games mode.
Aw, look at this nice little house and a suite. Oh my god, that building's huge. Where are we? Why is this house here? I don't get it.
It looks kind of haunted.
Kind of haunted?
That's what I said, it's probably haunted.
No, it's haunted.
So we are inside of Big Yellow. This place is retro, huh, Win? So here's the kitchen. Check out how chill this is. There's your fridge. Go stand next to that fridge, Win, just for size. That's a Jimbo-sized fridge right there. I mean, this is an old school home.
You should check out the
what are you guys thinking?
phone. Go check out the phone. It's really cool.
Whoa, does that come with the place? I wonder how much it costs for that apartment space. How much do you think that cost, bro?
Couple hundred.
Couple hundred?
Couple hundred.
Probably just found that spot early.
We can go.
Bro, we're here for some action. Hot damn. You excited to live in the city, bro? Look at all this action.
Hey, we gotta get exposed to it early. Get used to it.
Alright guys, so today we're going to be making an epic fort in IKEA. Let's see how this goes. We're going to be staying 24 hours and hopefully we will not get caught. Gang gang, yeet yeet.
Hey, what are we actually here for? What are we actually here for?
Desks.
No, for you. Why did you bring us here in the first place?
Desks.
Really?
That's for what?
Oh, well, I'm also here because I want to get a desk.
Me 3. Me 3.
He's also getting a desk.
Desk 3.
Desk squad.
Got all kinds of choices.
You do a time lapse.
I think I found the location of my secret household for the night. I've got some supplies and food. I'll be just fine.
Have you fed them chickens yet?
No, not yet.
Why ain't you fed them chickens yet, brother?
I gotta go to the store to get them the feed.
Show me the power, bro. And now it's great because you lift up your desk special so that when you have an earthquake, it's easier to get underneath and protect your head. Okay, tell me this is not the most relatable IKEA thing ever. You're at IKEA with your mom, and for some reason, moms have to take like 10 hours just to try and look at a desk or two. Look at her go. Checking her phone. Is that the best price? I don't know, I better check 10 times. You're gonna find the one by, yeah, oh yeah, feel it? Nice, what do you think? Mom,
She's still checking.
what are you doing on your phone?
I'm messaging office mates.
To see if they like your choices?
FaceTime them.
What?
FaceTime them. Be efficient.
And you get real time.
The wild mom has migrated into another bedroom. Oh, what a nice bowl. What's inside of that bowl? We sent out a spy. You've been caught! Run! Run! Go! So they have a collection of free wooden IKEA pencils. This is how we're gonna stay warm in the light. We're gonna collect them all and create a campfire with the pencil. Where do I find the model laying on a bed? Oh, there he is.
What's up, guys? This is my shopping cart. I got the gray rims on it. I'm gonna show you what I can do with it. Let's back up.
We've been in IKEA too long now. I've gathered my walking staff and we've gained a vehicle of transportation. We're not sure. Sorry. A little role playing. So we just knocked out the first day of apartment shopping, and we actually just submitted our first application at apartment number 2, which we're really stoked on. We're hoping that all carries through and is all right. We'll kind of see what happens. Right now I am waiting outside of the Benson, our very classy hotel. My main homie Braxton is coming to pick me up right now. We're gonna go chill. It's gonna be good. Real good. Day 2 in the city. I'm actually kind of hungover. My buddy took me on a ride last night. But I just went and got some donuts. That's cool. Voodoo. Classic. Oh, wow, okay, well, we've kind of already ate them. It looks like a donut explosion has gone off, but this was my donut right here. It's not bad. It kind of makes my headache worse though. I feel like crap today. But we decided on a house. We sent in the application, we were accepted. What house, baby?
House 2, baby.
Yeah, we're ready to move. We're ready. I'll see you next time I'm in the city. For now, it's time to go home, pack up, and get ready to move in. Any final words?
No.
Scooter gang! Scooter gang! Scooter gang! It's like $1 a start. Scooter gang! Scooter gang! Scooter gang!